morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, fishing maniacs? We are getting ready to get out to Lake X here. I'm heading to meet Lil Tommy right now. It is, where's the time here? 6:53. We're running a little late, but it's all right. GPS says I'll be there in about 20 minutes, so let's see what we can get done today at Lake X. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, y'all. Getting after it. We are doing something we've never done before. We're getting the yaks back to Lake X. Got Lil Tommy in front of us. Got a little breakfast down. Let's go. I'm excited. Overcast. A little cool right now. What is it? Yeah, it's pretty cold right now, but it's supposed to warm up to about 60 degrees, so let's see what we got. See if we can't make something happen, y'all. All right. We made it back to the lake. We're on. Got my boy Lil Tommy with us.
Yo.
Yes, sir. We are on Lake X. First time on the yaks. About a mile. What do you say, about a mile and a half? Mile drive back?
Probably, yeah, a mile and a half.
All right. Nobody even walks back here. This is the shallow side. I've never even fished this side. Bro, this is probably so money. You can just see the rocks, boulders. This is probably so money in the spring. I'm throwing something. I can't wait anymore.
4 feet.
4? Jeez. Little spinnerbait action. I'm so glad I got my Corrado dialed back in, bro. This is like home. All right, let's flip around Kuda's jig. I got a little missile baits chunk on there. Let's see. Oh, I get tapped, or was that some grass? I actually have 2 different spinnerbaits on tied, right? 2 different spinnerbaits tied on right now. Yeah, I think they're both 6 cents too. Yep, sharp bone truce, and this is just the white. But I think I changed the blade out to straight gold. Small gold, big gold.
Yeah, gold is nice.
I like the gold. Oh, pickerel. Don't break off my F4, you POS. Holy sh. Okay, he's in. I didn't freak out. Oh, he's loose. He took him. Hold on. If you would just relax for a second, I would let you go. Bye-bye, good release. I'm gonna fish this tree. Come on. Make my day, please. Oh, I think I just got crushed. Got one. Basser, yep. Little bass, right where you should have been. Thank you, Largie. Come here, bud. Right where you should have been. How you doing, little buddy? Nice one. Anybody else in there with you? Something bigger? Pine wood, pitch to it. Good one. This one's bigger. Is he? No. Oh, he wanted it as soon as it hit though. Good call. You find some wood, pitch to wood, and you catch some bassers. They're on the wood. They're on the wood, the War Eagle jig. This Yamamoto flapping hog is soft as hell though. Yeah. Yeah, it's tore up. On. Oh, what are you? Oh, it's a freaking pickerel. Get in the net, you bastard. Jesus. Oh, he set himself free again. Bye. Go. You got friends? Coming. There he is, my boy. You smell
Different fish that jumped that you saw.
what?
That fish that jumped that you saw was not on my hook.
No?
That was a different one.
He was just with him?
Pretty sure. They were like right in front of that grass patch.
Bro.
Good. Get a weight on him.
Oh. On the drop, cheesy. Did we just find him? There he is.
Yes, sir.
That's a nice one.
Yes.
Bye bye, buddy. Oh, I think my jig's still in the water. I got one. Are you kidding me? Wow. First fish on Kuda's jig. Is the dinkster of the day. Look at the little pretty. Look at the little guy.
Yup.
You're bait. No, they're right here. There we go. I was like, yo, what's going on here? What color are you throwing?
Like a paler belly with a brown top.
4K minnow or 4K shad. I mean, I guess it's rigged right. I feel like with this 1/8 of an ounce, when I bring my rod up, it moves it so much. Yeah. Got him.
You good?
I don't know. That's cool. Drop cheesy.
Round one?
I think so. He's coming up. No, it's a pickerel. Oh my God. Goodbye.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah.
Feels good. Real good. Oh, yeah.
Smallie?
I don't know. Haven't seen it yet. Yeah, I think so. The way it's fighting. Nope. Pickerel.
I didn't tear up my line. On. Smallie, I think. Yeah, Smallie. No, another pickerel. God bless it. Ah, stop. Bro. Chill. Because you're trying to snap my line, you little shitter. Relax. Relax, buddy. How deep are you there?
Out here, 24.
Yeah, I'm on. Little guy, Smallie, smoked him. Go ahead and get in the net. Go ahead and just relax in that net. Jesus, buddy, what did you do? Nothing crazy, little guy. Go ahead, buddy. Cold shad, pickerel. There we go. First fish on the coal shed. On. Stuck too. Are you a pickerel? Yep. That was a beautiful net job, Jermaine, if I do say so. Oh, look at this guy. He's blue. Buddy, relax, relax. Is he free? Yep, I think he is. Hit me up. Yeah? Get it in the net. Get it in the damn net, brother.
3.5 at least. Feels heavier than the other one.
You son of a gun, you.
Might be your PB right there.
Oh.
311. It's my PB. Tied for it.
There you go, my boy.
Yes, sir.
I'll definitely screenshot that and get you some pics. Little bass. Watch them come smoke this lipless. Little dinkster. Funny because I worked a drop shot through here for like 10 minutes and I was like, all right, well, I'm gonna move. But oh, bro, smoked. Pickerel. He's not happy. No, decent bass. Yeah, he's barely hooked. Get in the net, buddy. Let me put my hands on you. Back-to-back casts. All right. The lipless? Like I'm talking about. Huh?
Pickerel?
No, a bass. Largemouth. There we go. Here's, you on? Decent one. Peace. Oh. Yeah. Oh, it's a. you see that, bro? He was following it, and it wasn't in the water. Oh my God. Bro, that was insane. I was like, if I put it back in the water, I wonder if he'll grab it. And he sure enough did. Let me clip that. He's a little jacked up, though. Hold on, buddy. Feisty motherfucker. He dinked it. I felt something dinking. I was floated down. And I was like, I wonder if he's going to come up after it, if they're still following it. And he was. And then he started like following it to the boat. Like as I pulled it out of the water, I'm like, is he still looking at it outside of the water?
Probably.
On. Can't tell. Feels good. Feels real good. It's a big ass pickerel. With a freaking lipless and. All right, go ahead, get it out, buddy, because you're not. I don't want you to take my limited edition, freaking. Yo, he's a big one too. Oh, he's barely hooked. Get in the damn net. Get in the damn net so you can relax. All right, good. Yeah, he's off.
Here, put him in here. Let's dispatch him.
I heard that. Come on. Feels good.
No.
I know, right? He's coming right at me. Jesus. Is it a large? Oh, that's a good bass. I think it's a good bass. Yeah, I think it's a good bass. Yup, real good largie. Yeah. Good largie. Good largie. Good largie. Good largie. Thank you. He's underneath my boat. Oh. Get it in there, get it in there. School. Baby. Yo, that's a younder right there, boy. That's a younder right there, boy. Woo. Hey, my boy. Hey, my boy. That one's got some weight to her.
Okay.
4-1.
Yep.
Hell yeah. Yes, sir. All right, Big Mama, go ahead. Yes, sir. Your mother. Woo! All right, I can go home now. You didn't catch all the big ones.